Hello, knowing that toxins can accumulate in your body over time is crucial. Toxins are everywhere and they are poisoning your enzymes, preventing your body from functioning properly. It is possible to experience a variety of unpleasant symptoms such as fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, hair loss, nausea, and more. There are many simple ways to get rid of these toxins, so today I would like to share a recipe with you for a potent cleansing beverage. This healthy beverage will definitely fix every issue relating to toxins and their dysfunctions. That is made up of ash gourd with lemon. Ash gourd is a large oblong fruit, sometimes round, native to South and Southeast Asia. It is also known as winter melon, wax gourd, and white pumpkin. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor. It is low in calories and fat, and a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. In Chinese medicine, wax gourd is used to prevent and treat metabolic diseases such as hyperlipidemia, hyperglycemia, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Combining lemon juice with a wax gourd drink can reduce weight gain and lower total cholesterol, reducing anxiety and toxins in your body. It's applied as well as a dietary therapy for anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-angiogenesis purposes, and also for treating nociception, such as temperature extremes and tissue damage, which trigger nociceptors and their pathways, as well as pyretic diarrhea and ulcers. This is a 10-day recipe of detoxifying and giving your body a new source of energy. Instead, why not preparing it every single month? However, if you have diabetes and you're taking medication on a daily basis, I suggest you to start with a small doses first to avoid any allergic reactions because ash might lower your blood sugar. And diabetes medications are also used to lower blood sugar. Taking it along with diabetes medications might cause blood sugar to go too low. But if you are not concerned and can take wax gourd juice safely, then here is exactly the recipe that I suggest you for making this power juice. First, take 1 cup of chopped ash gourd peeled without seeds. Then add 1 lemon peeled without any seeds. 1 cucumber peeled and sliced. 14 grams of fresh ginger. Fresh ginger root, when properly wrapped and stored in the fridge, it can last for up to 1 month. And finally add 10 grams of fresh turmeric. Turmeric has been linked to numerous high-quality health advantages for both the body and the brain. It can be not only a treatment, but a powerful remedy, and for most of the chronic diseases and help getting rid of them. We will go into deeper details regarding its advantages in another video. So, just mix those ingredients to make your detox drink, put them on a blender and add some water until full. Now just blend all these ingredients without any sugar added, and I suggest you to add some honey if you have it. Cucumbers are vegetables that are low in calories, and they contain over 95% of water, which makes them a great option for staying hydrated, particularly in hot weather or when engaging in vigorous exercises. Cucumbers contain antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful toxins in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Likewise, ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce inflammation in the body, to aid digestion and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort and reduce nausea. This powerful blend for sure will refresh your body and get you rid of toxins. Let me tell you that a key component of wellness is a continuous learning application of healthful practices, habits, and behaviors. Because life is dynamic, situations and priorities are subject to change. Being able to modify one's routines and habits in response to these changes is necessary for good health. Then gradually you can achieve a healthier lifestyle. So, I hope this great ash gourd beverage will help you get rid of most of the toxins accumulated in your body. However, I suggest you adding some physical activities to your routine and eat healthier food to maximize the benefits. I hope that you can support my work by destroying that subscribe buttons and like and share. See you soon.